Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Before we will proceed to our today's topic, there is one good news for all that we have launched our Salesforce admin training course. This course is for both beginners as well as for the advanced level expert. You can also watch this even you don't have any knowledge about the Salesforce. We have covered up the 9 plus module with 21 plus hour of HD videos in which we have covered both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. We start up with the introduction to the Salesforce and the CRM essentials. We have also let you know about the Salesforce release cycle with the Salesforce edition and the pricing packages too. We also let you know how you can navigate yourself to Salesforce Lightning to the classic and create a free developer account in Salesforce too. We have covered up all the essential features of the Salesforce Lightning interface. Even we have let you know how you can create a user, manage the user, even you can activate, deactivate and create or reset the password of the user. If we talk about the security, we also let you know about the object level security, field level security, record level security, and also let you know how you can share the things with other Salesforce admins. And if we move ahead, we also let you know about how you can create an app with objects and the tab and with its essential features. We have covered up each and every field that are available in Salesforce with some of its functions and the formula in both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. If we move to the advanced topic of a Salesforce, we have let you know about how you can create a custom buttons to the links to the action pages and the page layouts and the list view. We also let you know about the schema builder to the process builder and the validation rules, so you can also automate the process executions and do the automation things. We also let you know how you can use the reports and dashboard to visualize your data inside in Salesforce easily. If we are dealing up with the bulk of a data, you are dealing up with the millions of a data, we have let you know about the data import wizard tools and the data loader, so you can use it to insert, to delete, to update and to create all the data in a one go. So this course is for the Salesforce admin. Even if you don't have any knowledge, you can go with that course. This is a totally 100% self-paced video module. You can go and watch anywhere when you get a time according to your preference. Even we are letting you go, give the PDF material so you can easily grasp the things at the end. We also give you the certification once you complete that course, and this course is available at the 50% of discount right now with the lifetime access. And one of the most best feature of this course is that we are giving you a one-to-one doubt clear session with interview preparations and the internship opportunity. So now let's move back to our today's topic. So today we are going to learn the begins function in Salesforce, and we are going to learn this concept for both Salesforce Lightning as well as the classic user interface. So let's firstly understand what does we mean by the begins function. So begins function is one of the text function that is used in a Salesforce when you want to check if the text begin with the specific character, and it returns the true if it is, otherwise it returns you a false. So one of the thing that you have to make sure while working up with that, the begin function is a case sensitive, so it will treat the compare text differently for both lower cases and upper cases, and the field that are left blank when utilizing this function in a workflow rule or a validation rule are treated as a valid. Okay, so if we talk about the syntax is given on your screen. Here the text is specifies the value or the field that you want to check. It can be anything, a simple plain string or a reference text to the field. And the compare text specifies the value of the prefix that you want to look at the beginning of the text value. It can be a plain text enclosed in a double or a single quotation, or a numeric value or a field that you want to be compared. So let's see how you can use the begin function in Salesforce Lightning as well as a classic. So here I open my Salesforce account and I am in the Lightning interface. To redirect to the main setup, I click on the gear icon and click on a setup option. Once I click on that, it will take me to the page where I need to choose up the object manager tab that is given on the top of the navigation bar next to the home. So here I click on that. Now it's take me to the page where I need to choose up the object on which I want to use that begin function. So you need to search for that particular object in the quick find box. I am going to use it for the coupon as I want to declare the first price based upon the coupon code. So here I search for the coupon, here I get it down, I click on that, and next thing it will take me to the object manager page of a coupon. I click on the fields and relationship option, and then I click on a new button. Once I click on a new, it will take me to the page where I need to choose the field type that I needed. I choose the formula as a one because I want to use the function and create the formula. Then I click on the next, and here I need to enter the field label. So I enter the field label as prices, and I click on the field name. So it will get automatically populated, and I select the text as a formula return type and click on the next button. Once I click on a next, it will take me to the next page where I need to create up the formula using that particular function, that is the begins. So here I click on the all function category, choose the text as a function category, then I choose the begins from here and click on the insert selected function. Once I do that, it will give me a text in the compare text. Here I need to place it with the text in the compare text that I want to do that. So here I'm going to create up my formula, then I will explain you how can I do that. So here I enter the text, I click on a check syntax to let you know it's correctly working. So here it is. I will explain you. Here I use the begins function that check if the coupon codes begin with the specific characters that I have passed out, and here I use the function that prints the price based upon the result of the begins function, and if the coupon codes begin with the specific character, it prints the message as you won the iPhone 13, and if the coupon code doesn't begin with the specified character, it prints the message better luck next time. Okay, if you want to add any description and help text, you can also do that. Otherwise, you need to click on the next button to proceed to the next step. Here on the next page, you need to choose up the profile to which you want to grant the field level security, and to edit the particular field. And if you don't select the profile, it will not add it to the field level security. I click on the next to proceed to the next step. Here you need to choose the page layout that should be included, and the field will be appeared on any page if you have selected down, and if you don't select it down, it will not appear on the particular page. I click on a save button, and once I click on a save, it successfully created up the function begins, and here we have do up the price creation on the basis of that coupon code. So now let's see how you can use it in a Salesforce Classic. For that, you need to redirect yourself to the Classic first. So I click on my profile and click on a switch to a Salesforce Classic. Once I do that, it will take me to the Classic interface of a Salesforce, and now I need to redirect to the setup of the Classic. I click on a setup option, and once I do that, it will take me to there. Here I need to scroll down myself to the left side, and here I get a build section. I expand the customize option and choose the object on which I want to work it on. I'm going to show you for the leads. I click on that and click on the fields as an option. Once I done that, the next thing I will get it down, the product custom field page is open. You can see that, and here I scroll down to the field custom field and the relationships. For creating up the new, I click on the new button. From here I choose the formula as a field type, as I am going to use up the function, and click on the next button. And now to enter the field label, I enter the field label as a major USA city status. Okay, and the field name get automatically populated. I choose the text as the formula return type and click on the next button, and once I click on the next, it will proceed me to the next page. Here I need to choose up the major USA city status page. So here I need to create up the function. So let's me firstly create it with the help of the begins function. You need to choose the begins function from the all function category to move to the text one, and then you here need to click on the begins and select that. So here I enter my formula. I click on the check syntax to check how it's working. So here I use the begins function that determine if the text value in the city field begins with one of the main US cities that I have listed down. Next I use the OR function to check that at least one of the past condition is a true, and I also use the if function that check if the city name starts with any of the major US city based. It will print this is a major US city, otherwise it will print it is not a major US city. Okay, so if you want to add any description help text, you can do that. Otherwise, click on the next, and in the next step you need to choose up the profile to which you want to grant the edit access of the particular field. The field will be hidden from all the profile if you don't add it to the field level security. I click on the next button to proceed to the next step. Here you need to select the page layout that should be included in this field, and the field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of these page layout, and the field will not be appear on any pages if you don't select it down. I click on a save button, and once I click on a save, it successfully save it down. Now to let you see how it's working, you need to click on the leads, and here I am clicking on it. You need to edit any of the existing one. Here I edit it down. Let's see, here is we have a, here you can see that it added as this is not a major US city. I think I will let you know how it's working on. Here the city is not entered, that's why it's giving us the messages like that. So if you pass out the city that is in the major city, it will work it as let's suppose here I am entering the New York. Okay, and click on OK and save it. It will give you the result. This is a major US city. So with this, we have successfully learned how you can use the begins function in Salesforce Lightning as well as a classic user interface. So if you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.